Thank you all for being here this afternoon. On December 19th, a Travis County grand jury returned an indictment charging Austin Police Department officer Daniel Sanchez with the criminal offense of deadly conduct, a third-degree felony. Our hearts go out to the family of Rajan Moonsingh for the tragic and sudden loss of their son. The District Attorney's Office has reviewed the investigation of the Austin Police Department and other evidence related to the circumstances of Mr. Moonsingh's death for the past year. This review included all of the facts, camera footage, the 911 call, witness statements, the opinions of nationally recognized use of force experts, and other relevant evidence. Our review also considered evidence presented to us from the defense lawyers representing Officer Sanchez. In this case, a grand jury, which is an independent group of members of the Travis County community, heard all of the evidence and the law and determined that Officer Sanchez's conduct was unlawful. In order to return an indictment for deadly conduct against Officer Sanchez, the grand jury was required under Texas law to determine that there is probable cause to believe that Officer Sanchez knowingly discharged his firearm at or in the direction of one or more persons, in this case, Rajan Moonsingh, and that Officer Sanchez was not justified in doing so. Finally, I was disappointed to read the statement of Interim Chief Henderson. It is an inaccurate statement of the facts of this case. But what is more troubling is that the statement reflects an alarming disregard for the rule of law, for our criminal justice system, and for Rajan and his family. No one is above the law in Travis County. The conduct in this case is part of a larger pattern and practice of conduct that has cost the city of Austin $73 million in settlement payments and resulted in numerous criminal indictments over the last several years. I'm grateful to the dedicated men and women who serve in the Austin Police Department and in law enforcement agencies throughout the county. They put themselves in harm's way every day for the sake of our safety. Law enforcement officers and our community deserve a culture of training, of adequate resources, and of accountability that keeps officers and our community safe. Ms. Musa.
Our family is thankful for the hard work that the Travis County DA's office has put in so far to present evidence to the grand jury and seek justice for Rajan. However, there is more work to be done. We call on the Austin Police Department to stop issuing statements about my son that they know are false. And we call on the DA to present the clear video evidence to a new grand jury so that charges can be brought against Officer Sanchez that are consistent with the law and the facts. We want to make sure that other families don't have to suffer the pain that ours has. We have survived only because of our faith and support from so many. I want to thank my Lord Jesus for favor, grace, and comfort He has bestowed on me and my family. Thank you to our Austin City Voices. You have faithfully stood alongside us at every press conference, city council meeting, and legislative hearing. Thank you, my Austin activist friends. I have learned so much from you. You were instrumental in opening up so many doors. Thank you, my CA church prayer group, for doing my prayer walks with me. Thank you to my La Cañada kids, Rajan's friends group, for being our biggest cheerleaders. Thank you, family and friends, for being there for us. And finally, I must thank the female police officer who begged the other officers to uncuff Rajan so that she could administer CPR. They did not listen to her. This mother is very grateful to you for your kindness and courage. Thank you. Rajan's death impacted us in so many ways. This is what my little granddaughter told me. Grandma, I want to write down everything Uncle Rajan has told me so that I don't forget. Rajan told her, you are strong even when people doubt you. Don't change for anyone. May Rajan's words inspire us all. Thank you, and may God bless you.
Mr. Garza, will you be taking any questions?
You just heard statements there from the Travis County District Attorney Jose Garza and Ruth Munasing, who is the mother of Rajan Munasing. He's the 33-year-old man who was killed in a shooting by police in November 2022. And that has now resulted in a deadly conduct charge being filed against that officer who fired the shot that killed him. And we are hearing now for the first time from the Travis County District Attorney reacting to what the interim police chief said. He had some strong words for her, saying that she, quote, has an alarming disregard for the rule of law based on what her statement read. And you can read that in full over on our website right now. So we'll be reaching out to Austin Police to get another reaction to that statement just a few moments ago from the Travis County District Attorney. What we'll share again is that a grand jury indicted Daniel Sanchez, who is facing one count of deadly conduct. It's a third-degree felony, and he is now on paid administrative duty pending resolution of the criminal indictment. The Officers Defense Counsel, Brad Heilman, sent out a statement earlier today. We'll read this in part. It says, quote, the fact that Officer Sanchez was indicted for deadly conduct further exemplifies Jose Garza's continued attack on Austin police officers for doing exactly what they are trained to keep the citizens of Austin safe from harm. It goes on to say, I am fully confident when the jury hears all the facts in this case, Officer Sanchez will be exonerated. Just to remind you about what happened, here's video from the day in November 2022 when that shooting happened in South Austin. Again, Raj Munasing was killed when police came to his home after a 911 caller reported he seemed to be afraid of something in his house and started firing his rifle inside. When the police arrived there, Officer Sanchez gave Munasing a verbal command to drop the gun before Sanchez fired his gun. You can also view full body camera footage released by the Austin Police Department of this shooting from about 2 years ago over on our website at kxan.com as well. Thank you all again for watching here this afternoon. We appreciate that. We have full team coverage of this indictment as well as the reaction that's coming in that will continue tonight on KXAN News and on our website and KXAN News mobile app. So please check out our reporting that we've collected so far. Thank you all again for watching. I'm Will Dupree here in the KXAN Live studio. We appreciate you joining us, and we'll see you back here at another time. Take care.